It's allowed.
To be mentioned, item number 1, WA2604/2023.
So in view of the Supreme Court's decision in case of Jaggo for the details for 2024, you will see on the point of regularization / observation or absorption in government service, the matter requires re-hearing. Stop. List this case before appropriate bench or re-hearing of the case.
But they have not extended the time for admission. I have filed a petition for extension of time for admission.
Which matter?
Nursing college matter, nursing student.
Give us the
Because this been 2-3 memos I filed not listed, maybe listed on Monday. Another matter, it's a interim applications are filed. It was listed on 6/1 before a batch of this honorable court. He lost. Observe that he is concerned and directed to list it. Last 6 maybe listed on Monday.
Writ appeal 3459 of 2024. One writ appeal 3459 of 2024. Please give us that. The only difficulty is the prayer of the petitioner to participate in the recruitment examination for junior engineer. This has been disallowed by the Honorable Single Judge. Now, after dismissal of the Single Judge, the Honorable Single Judge has taken a view. Where is the question of urgency? The only difficulty is on the 18th of this month, they are trying to conducting the examination. He conduct the examination, but the petitioner has taken a view. That urgency, the urgency aspect is over. Merit, they are not being allowed to participate, so that is the only difficulty. All right, please give your.
My lord, this is an election matter, my lord. Post of Sarpanch, and it was heard by your lord.
Just 1 minute. Is it assigned to this court?
Yes, my lord. It was assigned and it was heard by your lordship, my lord. And it was then ordered to be taken out of the board because some documents were in Odia. So after that, it was not listed by.
No, it's not assigned to.
In Odia, so thereafter, your lordship has said those matters. Assignment.
That is not assigned to this bench.
Please wait. I think the assignment has changed. Please.
My lord,
Assignment has changed later.
By
To read Odia, therefore such matters were assigned to another bench. Therefore, you make a bench. All right.
oblige, my lord.
Extreme trepidation, my lord. With extreme trepidation, I am mustering enough courage to mention, my lord. This matter, WPC number 3888 of 2020 was a tender matter. Your
What
lordship.
is the name of the party?
VA Tech Wabag versus Sale.
VA
VA
Tech
Tech
something.
Wabag versus Sale. Your lordship had heard us on 26/9/2024. There was no difficulty, man, but otherwise, man, the rates, it's a tender matter. The rates are expiring, validity are expiring anytime. Yeah, lordship was reserved. Great.
Your Lordship, I'm willing to mention a PIL.
Good, Mr. Palit.
My lord.
What's the number?
My lords, WPC number 3888 of 2024.
Yes.
3888 of 2024. 26.
Your Lordships, I'm seeking the bench permission to mention a matter. It's a PIL wherein we have filed a PIL seeking the hassle-free and convenient darshan of disabled wheelchair and disabled people in the. So if that can be.
One press contempt matter regarding reinstatement.
One press contempt.
Some WA 1737.
1737 देखिए मतलब कि dispose of है 1737 of 24.
No, 22.
22 देख ले मतलब कि dispose of
All right, we'll see.
To be mentioned item number 1, WA 725 of 2023.
Again,
My lord, I am
the Supreme Court's decision in case of Jago, the matters require rehearing.
my lord.
Item number 2, WPC 9791 of 2023 and that.
Lord, item number 2, I'm appearing virtually, my lord. I'm outside. So that to be mentioned matter. Item number 2, I will be allowed to appear virtually.
Yes. In fact, these
Matter is being released.
matter is released. In fact, we are observing that the matters require rehearing because of the latest
As
Supreme
your
Court
lordship.
case of Jago.
As your lordship, please.
We might have
Can
taken
your
a
lordship
different
now,
view.
because of the urgency, can your lordship
That's what we are
pass
expecting.
an order that put up when moved, so that at least we can try and when moved. Because there is no option here. That is the whole problem. We are uncertain. Because of the urgency, your lordship had taken up the matter. Because we are able to move next week.
Item number 9 of 2024.
Who's there? You are there.
No.
What is the matter?
No, I have addressed 3, it has been already, order has been passed.
Yes.
Printer me?
I am for.
Item 4.
I have submitted a copy of judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the last date.
In case of
In case
Jago.
of Jago versus Union of India. Paragraph 20 of that judgment. Item 146 from the weekly list, my lord. That has been complied.
No,
146,
order that has been complied. Order has been complied with,
my lord.
but the matter has been posted for something else.
From the weekly list, second list. From the 146 item.
Supplementary list to be mentioned item number 1.
My lord, order has already complied and whole revision disclosure.
Oh,
Order
it
to,
is not compliant, my lord. They have filed affidavit. I can show from the affidavit, my lord.
that has been complied, order has been passed by the disposing of the.
Annexure B/2, my lord.
Item number 1.
Contempt, huh?
I am through BC
But the
shape
contempt
on the
proceeding has
petition.
been dropped, madam.
Sir,
Contempt proceeding has been dropped.
the contempt 4209.
24/12 for
That
24.
is next item, madam.
Sorry, ma'am. Excuse
My,
me.
further to that case, your lordship have directed the chief secretary to form a committee, my lord. In that case, a committee has been formed, the chief secretary under the chairmanship of development commissioner and 8 other secretaries are there.
Very good.
And this is later, my lord. A note sheet attached to Chief Secretary's letter says how it is to be monitored, my lord. Every month it is to be monitored.
In the present contempt petition, the petitioner had alleged disobedience of an order of this court dated 11/10/2023, passed in WPC number 28265 of 2023, whereby one OLR revisor 2022 was directed to be disposed of. Stop. The said order, since said order came to be complied with, though belatedly, the contempt proceeding was ordered to be dropped by an order of this court dated 3/1/2025. However, in the order dated 2012/2024, passed in the present case, the court had expressed dissatisfaction over non-compliance of various orders passed by this court, leading to institution of number of contempt cases. Stop. In that background, the Chief Secretary Odisha was asked to join the court proceeding on 3/1/2025. Stop. On 3/1/2025, when the matter was taken up, Mr. Dev Ranjan Singh, the Additional Chief Secretary, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, had joined the court proceedings online on behalf of the Secretary. Next, Mr. Karlan GA has produced before this court a communication dated 22/11/2024, addressed to all the additional chief secretaries, all the principal secretaries, all the commissioners cum secretaries, all directors and all commissioners, all collectors, in relation to compliance of the directives issued by the High Court in court cases. Stop. The entire content of the said communication is being reproduced here and below. Stop. Next, Mr. Kar has also produced before this court an office order dated 6/1/2025, issued by the Department of General Administration and Public Grievance, issued by General Administration and Public Grievance Department, Government of Odisha, whereby a committee has been constituted to monitor the contempt cases and oversee compliance of the orders of this court. Also, the said committee consists of the constitution of the said committee is as under. Next, we do appreciate the step taken by the office of the Chief Secretary Odisha for Odisha to ensuring prompt compliance of the of various orders passed by this court. So stop. It is expected, next, it is expected that the concerned officials shall act accordingly to avoid unnecessary institution of contempt cases. Yes.
Item number 2.
That case, my lord, regarding the approval on the second post of political science in Indira Gandhi Women's Nimabada, my lord. That case, we have already passed the order. Since after the contempt on the SLP was filed, we undertake that the SLP will be withdrawn and all benefit will give to him in this case.
My lord, in this
That
case,
is
the
complied.
contempt should be lie over. Let them comply.
They have complied with.
My lord, kindly have a glance to the where they have relying my lord, B/2 of the affidavit, my lord. Annexed, my lord, they have annexed the letter.
Wait, subject to SLP petition.
They have stated, my lord. My lord, affidavit filed on 8/1/2025.
Yes, have you filed your explanation? Have
No,
you
I-
filed? No, you have filed your explanation.
I,
In the light of this court's order dated 2012-2024.
Yes, my lord, we have filed.
Where is that?
That I am tracing.
Where is that?
Compliance
Like
of it to
P.
page 11, my lord.
Just a minute. No, when did you file? When did you file it?
We have filed on 8/1/25, we have filed, my lord.
8/1,
Yes, my lord.
like the. Like the 8/1, yes.
My lord, since after filing of the complaint when SLP was filed, so we undertake that the SLP will be withdrawn and he has already passed that, he will be adjusted in the post of second post of political science. Page 11, we have said so.
So, see, he's right in her submission that the contempt proceeding should not be dropped. Unless you implement the order, the contempt proceeding
Only
cannot
way.
be dropped.
First of all, I am saying that, yeah, I am undertaking that the SLP will be withdrawn.
You
With-
don't know what will you do. You comply with the order and then contempt proceeding.
Comply, he already we have passed order to adjust him that post.
Where is that?
That is page 11, my lord.
my lord, kindly have a glance.
Just a minute. Just a
Yes,
minute,
yes, my
madam.
lord.
Just a
Sorry.
minute.
Sorry.
Yes, my lord.
Page 6. Where is the order?
7/1/25. Order. Whereas the appellant, namely Anil Kumar Das, who is holding the post of lecturer in political science, third post in Indira Gandhi Mahila Junior Mahamedya,
Where, which page?
that is page 6, my lord.
Page 6.
Yes.
Yes.
Whereas the appellant, namely Anil Kumar Das, who is holding the post of lecturer in political science, third post in Indira Gandhi Mahila Junior Mahamedya, based on his date of joining and second post of lecturer in the concerned subject on 30/8/2021 had preferred EA case number so and so, seeking direction of the learned tribunal for issuing direction to approve his appointment against second post of lecturer in political science in the college and plea.
No, madam, since the order has been passed, no, madam.
My lord, kindly have a glance to page 11, my lord. My para 11 of that annexure. That annexure, my lord, para 11 at page 10. I am placing my lord. Where in view of the kind order of the Honorable Court dated 3/1/2025, so passed in contempt number so and so, and others, and considering the technical lapses occurred in the matter, has been decided to implement the order dated 10/1/2023, passed in FAO number so and so, and accordingly, it has been decided to approve the elevation of appellant Sri Anil Kumar Das against second post of lecturer in political science with effect from 16/11/2019, the date of death of its holder, late Kailash Chandra Swami, making him eligible to avail the benefit of second post of lecturer in political science from the date of his elevation against such post, that is from 16/11/2019, which is subject to outcome of SLP. My senior has mentioned that we will withdraw the SLP.
There are two aspects. I shall not record in my order that this is the undertaking that they shall withdraw the SLP. This will not be there in my order.
Yes,
One.
yes.
And second, everything is subject to the order to be passed by the Supreme Court.
Yes, I am.
Therefore, subsequently, since they have implemented, please avail the benefit
My
of
lord,
that order.
my lord, it is a paper benefit.
No paper. They
My
have
lord,
done.
may I say one
realized
thing? Let the
matter.
contempt be lie over.
No, why should it lie over? It should it lie over?
Otherwise, they will not implement, my
They
lord.
will
They are
implement.
harassing
They are-
from 2019, my lord.
All right.
Two contempt in between has been
the-
filed, second contempt.
True contempt, you should have,
They have not complied till then.
now they have complied.
My lord, is subject to they will not take any steps to release the matter in SLP and they will not withdraw. What my senior is
They
saying.
may not, and they may. They are saying orally, I have heard. But I cannot record that I am dropping the contempt proceeding because they have given an undertaking that they will withdraw the SLP.
Yes.
This is not proper.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
That is why I am praying that the contempt should be liable.
The compliance affidavit has been filed on behalf of the opposite parties, bringing on record an order dated 7/1/2025, paragraph 11 of which reads thus. So stop. And do I express displeasure over belated compliance of this court's order, I am not inclined to proceed any further in the present matter, keeping in mind the subsequent conduct of the opposite party. First off, the contempt proceeding is accordingly dropped. Stop. Yes.
Item number 3.
My personal,
Sir,
personal.
it is just a note of caution. It is made clear that if the opposite parties fail to carry out the order dated 7/1/2025, this court shall take very strict view of the matter and consider a revival of the contempt proceeding. All right, that will do.
Bless, my
Item number 3.
I'm appearing through
My lord, application is rejected, my lord. Reprehension is
Yes.
rejected and
All
order
right.
public.
Dispose of.
11/1.
my lord, item 3.
Item 3.
Item 3, judgment is dated 18/11/2019, my lord. Pardon?
They have passed order.
Order on 11/1/22.
What was the order?
No, my lord, it was regarding regularization, my lord.
What was the direction?
My lord, the direction was for regularization. Your lord may please see page 20 of the application.
Complaint affidavit, we have already filed as annex to A1, the disposal order is there, my lord, the repentant disposal order. and his claim has been rejected, man. And his order has been communicated to him on 11/1/22.
So there was no direction for consideration. The direction was for regularization.
For regulation, my lord. My lord, what has happened is that uh, after this order was passed, they have made us as work charge in the year 22. That is, my lord can find at.
Please come to the order, Mr. Kerr.
My lord?
Please come to the order which is.
Yes, my lord. On cumulative effect of opposite fact reasons, the judicial pronouncement, the writ application disposal with the direction to the opposite party to regularize the service of the petitioner within period of 3 months from the date of issued communication with the order. But they have rejected the claim.
Okay. So then we will initiate it. Siri. The counsel appearing on behalf of the Mr. Kerr, and government advocate appearing on behalf of the opposite parties has submitted that the petitioner's case to regularize his service has been rejected. So stop. This court by order dated 18/11/2019 had issued specific direction to the opposite party to regularize the services of the petitioner. Who was to regularize?
The opposite part number. The opposite part number 1.
By rejecting the petitioner's case for regularization, the opposite parties have committed contempt of this court. So stop. Stop. Let us suppose affidavit be filed. Let's suppose affidavits be filed on behalf of who are the opposite parties?
The opposite part number 1, the Commissioner cum Secretary, Housing and Urban Development Department.
So-called reply. So file so-called reply as to why contempt proceeding be not initiated against them, and they be not suitably punished for intentional disobedience of this court's order. Yes.
Obliged.
The so-called reply must be filed within 4 weeks. 6 weeks. Yes.
Item number 4.
My lord, writ appeal is pending, my lord.
No, my lord. I have annexed a copy of your lordship's order of the writ appeal, my lords, to the additional affidavit. Your lordship may kindly see page 61 of the last page of the additional affidavit at flag C, my lords. In the result, the writ appeal stands dismissed, but in the circumstances, there shall be no order as to cause. And this order has been, writ appeal order has been passed since 5/3/2024.
It is not common record, my lord. I will see it. 1 week time.
The court is prima facie satisfied that this court order dated 11/3/2023 passed in WPC OAC number 2701 of 2014, which has been affirmed by passed by a learned single judge of this court, subsequently affirmed by it has been dismissed.
My lord, sorry, writ appeal has been dismissed.
Subsequently affirmed by
5/3/2024.
WA number 784 of 2022. The order dated 5/3/2024 passed in WA number so and so has been intentionally disobeyed. A case is made out for initiation of contempt proceeding against the opposite party. Let a so-called reply be filed on, let so-called reply slash IES be filed on behalf of the opposite party while contempt proceeding be not initiated against them and they be not suitably punished for intentional disobedience of this court's order.
Item number 5.
Your Lordship, may kindly have a look at the order, last order dated 1/9/2023. Not complied as yet, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Matter is CRP, Central Reserve Police Force.
Yes. Mr. Padi is there. Padi is there.
Yes, Mr. Padi.
Yes, my lord. On that case, once again I settled because after second, third time, my lord, my senior might have filed this that CRPF matter. I just remember. Lordship may give some 1 week time. Next week, Lordship may keep up.
Next week, who was seen next week?
Next week. I'm not praying for more time. Only next week, Lordship. Last chance may be given, Lordship. I've already wrote a letter. So everything there.
Your Lordship, it's the removal of 1997 and the removal was set aside in 2015, Your Lordship. And he has been only given some employment, but compliance has not been made to the order passed by the Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
Mr. There is typographical error. I was a bit confused.
My lord?
This order dated 1/9/2023.
Your Lordship.
WPC has been typed in place of CO and PCA.
Yes, my lord. Wrong. Nothing has been there, the wrongly typed, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. What is this?
It is CO and TC.
Mr. Padi, it's a very
Yes,
serious matter.
My lord.
It's very serious thing.
Yes, my lord. That's why I'm praying, my lord. Only 7 days time I'm praying, my lord. Last chance may be given. I will take install otherwise, Lordship.
Why is it thrice orders have been passed? Nothing, they are not hearing anything.
Second or third.
Your Lordship, it has been the instruction, it has been complied. If my learned senior kindly considers it.
No. You have been telling that thing from the very beginning.
See, there was already.
Yes, it has been complied. That is the instruction I have received. I'll file a compliance affidavit, Your Lordship, to that effect. If that is if that is against the petition, then the Honorable Court may pass any order.
No.
According to you, the order has been complied with.
No,
Your Lordship, that is the instruction I have received. I'll file a compliance affidavit. That may be taken into consideration. It should be common record, Your Lordship. That much I am saying. Only 7 days time.
Your Lordship, Mr. Padi on the last occasion told that it has been complied with.
Yes, Your Lordship.
They have taken that it is notionally, it is like
yes,
the entire thing has been notionally gone, Your Lordship.
My Lordship, I kindly consider that is to be considered by this Honorable Court, whether it is complied or not notionally complied. Yes,
without
that should
filing
come
any
on affidavit, Your
complaints,
Lordship.
this is going on since 2022. This is going on, Your Lordship.
That's different.
More than
But
2 years have passed.
If at all any administrative order has been passed, that is to be considered by the Honorable Court. If my Lord allows me 7 days time, I can file a compliance affidavit.
Mr. Counsel, this order was passed on 1st of September 2023.
Yes.
Lordship.
We are in January 2025. You have not filed any compliance affidavit. And you are saying the order has been complied with.
Your Lordship, last order has been passed on 1/9/2023.
Yes.
And
what did you do there? Why did you not file any compliance affidavit?
Your Lordship, may kindly allow 7 days time. You can file it. Last chance. Is the last chance.
When this matter was taken up on 1/9/2023, following order was passed. Stop. Central Government Council,
Yes,
My
yes,
lord, my lord.
Council states that the order has been complied with. Full stop. However, no compliance affidavit has been filed. Full stop. The senior counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has submitted that this court's order has not yet been complied with.
Right.
So, let's discuss matter on next week and on which date who is the contender?
Your Lordship, Sangram Keshari Mahanti, he was the IG of Police Bhubaneswar, Your Lordship.
He is no more also.
He's no more.
Already retired. He's
He has retired.
not no more.
Whoever will be in charge, he has to come, Your Lordship.
IG Police, Bhubaneswar, which
IG
department?
CRPF, Your Lordship.
IG CRPF, Bhubaneswar San, join the proceedings online for this court to consider as to whether contempt proceeding is required to be initiated against the opposite party. Yes.
Great.
There is an apparent typographical error in the order dated so and so, wherein WTC also has been typed in place of CONT. The said order be corrected and ready for it.
Item number 6.
Please, hereby that the order dated 4/1/2023 has not been complied with. Against that order, the state has filed a writ appeal. Writ appeal has also been dismissed on 2/11/2023. So far, they have not complied the order.
My lord, we have already later to comply specifically. I want to take instruction. Let it come 1 week.
Very difficult. You are creating a very difficult situation. This matter has been taken up for the first time.
First time.
As requested on behalf of the opposite parties, listed matter on 6 weeks. In the meanwhile, let so-called replies / compliance affidavit be filed. Yes.
Item number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I'm alleging the non-compliance of the order dated 21/9/2022, as per which a clear direction was given to the opposite parties to disburse the amount saved in. Your Lordship, it has come up for the second time, Your Lordship.
Second time?
My lord, I may be pardoned, my lord. My lord, the copy has not been served upon us, my lord. We'll take instruction on that. We are for the contempt, man. We are for the contempt.
Copy.
Yes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, on the last occasion, it was stated that since a writ appeal is pending against the impugned order. However, since July, Your Lordship, neither the matter has been admitted nor stay has been granted.
Let them file. They have right to
file the chokers, man. We'll file this.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Let a copy
They
of
can
the
serve a copy.
petition be served upon land council when by in course of the day.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
This matter on 6 weeks. First of late in the meanwhile, compliance affidavit be filed. Let's call compliance affidavit. Yes.
Item number 8.
Eight, my lord, the allegation is the NAC ASCA. Collector is the officer in charge of management now. The allegation is on the private land of the petitioner, ASCA municipality is constructing drain. We have written 3 letters to the collector for taking steps in the matter. We have not received any instruction. Let it come 1 week after. Last letter we sent on July 24. We have not received any instruction. Actually, what is the position? I have asked them to explain actually.
You are representing whom? Who has violated the order?
That is the mal. Copy to collector, man.
Huh?
Collector, man.
Collector.
Man.
Collector in charge of the Aska NHC because the supersession of the Aska NHC. And actually the executive officer Aska municipality is executing the work.
Let's just matter on. Please. The top. Right. The opposite party shall be required to file proposed reply as by proposed reply as regards why contempt proceeding will not be initiated against them and they be not suitably punished for disobedience of the sports order. Yes.
Item 9.
My lord, I am on behalf of Mr. Kepidas. I don't 1 week time for filing objection.
1 week objection.
Objection. The opposite party file so cause my lord 26
I have requested on behalf of
26/2024.
This is the matter on. I am for the contempt normal. The direction was for disposal of the representation matter. And the within that period, the petition was instructed to file the representation before the authority, and the authority shall dispose of the same within a period of 4 weeks.
Then what will? What reply? Compliant with? Yes.
Both items.
Item number 10.
The non-compliance of order dated 19/10/2022. This is the second contempt. Now contempt now filed so cause, stating that the SLP is pending before the Honorable Appeals Court. So far, the my instruction is concerned, SLP has been disposed of.
Where is that instruction? If that has been disposed of, then you must.
Just now I received the instruction of Lordship, keep it to any other day. I will
I
file.
requested on behalf of the petitioner list this matter on 2 weeks.
Item 11.
And then non-compliance of order 9/2023, I have filed a contempt petition. Further 1 month granted to compliance with the earlier order. Till that they have not.
Yes.
So cause we have already filed, my lord.
Copy not served, my lord.
I'll serve the copy, let it come on here.
Let a copy of the proposed reply filed on behalf of the opposite party be served upon and counsel for the petitioner in course of the day. Does this matter 2 weeks? Yes.
Item 12.
This is also second contempt, my lord. Non-compliance of order dated 17/2023. Notice has been served to the contemptor, but no show cause has been filed to it.
What was the order?
Order this Honorable Court was the notice and directed to observe in the regular post. The petitioner is working as a piano in contractual basis. This Honorable Court allow my read application was and directed to observe in regular post. But till today that has not been complied with.
We
This
have
is
not
second.
received instruction, yeah. We have in January, we have written to the additional chief secretary. Instruction I have not received. Let it come 1 week after. I will sort out.
4 weeks. Discuss matter on 4 weeks. So as to enable and AGA to seek instructions and file some further reply. That compliance update. Yes.
Item 13.
My lord, item 13. Non-compliance of order dated 21/8/2023, which is at page 6, running page 7. My lord,
It has come for the first time.
my lord, it has come for the first time.
Who are the contemptors?
My lord, the contemptor is the OP number 1, SC/ST, the director SC/ST.
4 weeks.
Oblast.
Item 14.
This is a non-compliance of order dated 25/8/2022. That is
What
at
was the order?
my lord, the order, my lord, my prayer was for regularization, regular staffness with effect from the cutoff date.
What was
Order
that?
was for disposal of representation, my lord.
Representation is disposed of then.
19/2/23, we have already instructed to comply, to dispose. We have not received, let it come 1 week after.
Whether representation has been disposed of or not?
No, my lord, it has not been disposed of.
All right. 6 weeks.
Item 15.
Replacement. Sorry, my lord. Just an instruction came that his repension has been rejected, my lord.
Give him copy.
I am giving copy.
Liberty.
Written 114, man.
This is 14.
No, sorry, my lord. 14 is 114.
Next week, my lord. 4 weeks. Much obliged.
In item 15 already complied, my lord.
Item 16.
Affidavit has been filed.
15.
Thanks.
Item 16. 16 matter relating to pension matter. Directed, this law directed to grant pension as per the rules, Civil Service Rule 92, but till date it has not been complied with.
1883, 84, we have already passed order to comply the order. The instruction has come. Let it come one after. March 20.
Too much. It's too much. Your officers are not responding to the communications.
That is why we have already.
Whether some representative is there from the government or not, here present.
That is what we have informed to them.
What is happening?
It was last litigated on March 24, my lord. Thereafter, they have not communicated during our time. We have reminded them.
Judgment dated 31/10/2023. Judgment date.
GA. This is being taken up for the first time. For the first time.
First.
4 weeks.
Item 17.
Please check out history. A poor person is running from pillar to 211 to 2023.
This is item number 17.
Yes, my lord. The authority is OP number 3 is sleeping over the matter and not disposing to get. Lordship, I am placing the order at page 19, my lord.
Order cannot be read, Mr. Counsel. When was the order passed? 2010?
23, my lord.
2022?
23, my lord.
Where is that
2023, my lord. Last order.
Is this 1794 of 2024? Contempt.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the order which has been violated?
3-4 page 17, your lordship.
Page 17.
Yes, my lord. Annex 4, my lord. Series.
The allegation against the Ghatga Temple Trust, my lord. Government has nothing to do in the matter.
Yes, my lord. To that effect, Ghatga is administered and coming under the purview of.
He was not noticed even.
My lord, your lordship, I am placing the things. OP number 3. Direction is given by the endowment OP number 2 to OP number 3 to comply all the things. But despite of the fact,
Mr. Managing Trustee was not heard. Managing Trustee was not noticed. The petitioner has alleged disobedience of an order of this court dated 2/11/2023, passed in WPC number 34901 of 2023 against opposite party number 3, the managing trustee of Matarni Akurbari Vijay, Kyonja was shopping. Opposite party number 3 was not noticed when the order of this court dated 2/11/2023 was passed. So, in such view of the matter, I am not inclined to proceed under the considered opinion that no case of intentional disobedience of this court's order is made out. Contempt proceeding is proper. Yes.
my lord, I am pleased to submit, my lord. OP number 2 gave a direction. To that effect, their lordship were directed to implement that.
See, who should be punished?
My lord,
Who should be punished according to you in the contempt?
the person who is holding the post
Post of
of managing trustee.
managing trustee. Whether managing trustee was noticed in the writ petition?
My lord,
Whether any notice was given to him? Was he heard?
Your lordship, I am in order to visualize the thing I am placing. OP number 2 give a direction to the OP number 3.
All right. So
My lord.
OP number 2 gave a direction to OP number 3.
3 to implement that
Court
order.
also directed, passed an order to OP number 3.
Yes,
Whether the OP number 3 was here when the order was passed before this court?
No, my lord, he was not there, but he is slipping over the matter. That is what I am
Maybe
placing.
sitting over the matter, no contempt is made out. Can have other remedy, but not contempt.
Item number 18.
My lord.
Complied.
Complied.
Compare with
Item 19.
Non-compliance of order basis 23/11/2021. That is the page 10.
what was the order?
The disposal of the representation.
Yes.
However, already written from July 24.
4 weeks.
I take 1 week time to see what I have.
Item 20.
The appointment on compulsion ground, the order was passed on 25/8/2023 that they are directed to consider as per the Moyananda case. Thereafter, my lord, the state has filed a writ appeal. Writ appeal, your lordship has said that since as per the instruction, as per the affirmations made by the state government, that it is also covered by the Bindusagar case. So, your lordship has disposed of the matter. Writ appeal has also been dismissed since long, April 2024, but they have not complied the order.
4 weeks.
Item 21.
21 also complied.
Yep.
Item 22.
23, 24, 25. Thereafter, 22 to 20, all related to the English scale of pay. I remember on the last case, we have complied, I have received the document.
No, what happened, my lord? Item 122 to 128, your lordship, on the last week, your lordship had taken up the matter and mentioned, government advocate has mentioned that the order has been complied with. But your lordship has said, I have mentioned that the money has not yet been disbursed. Your lordship has specifically put up today to see that whether the money has been disbursed or not. But so far, yesterday night, the money has not yet been disbursed.
My land senior is correct. This document I have received today. It is there. Concurrence has been given with finance department for payment of PMO. That one is also reflected. But practically, possibly the money has not reached their account. That means. But this is already confirmed by finance department.
Now, what are those cases? 122 to 128 and
122 to 128, which is identical to, and 135 is also there, and which is identical to today's matter, 22 to 25. 22, 23, 24, and 25. All are with regards to the guard 25.
122, 128, 135. This matter somewhere on next week.
Yes, next week, madam.
So I have to enable an AGA to seek instructions as to whether the amount in question has been in fact credited in the account of the petitioner or not.
Item 26.
26 about
04 of 2024.
Which matter 24?
26.
26 writ appeal.
Serial number 26.
Writ appeal is there. All the
March 04 of 2024.
writ appeal.
Item 27.
Four weeks.
Item 28.
Yes.
Item 29.
My lord, complied. Or batch of contempt complied, all contempt.
Complied.
Item number 30.
My lord, 4 weeks.
Item 31.
First time.
4 weeks.
31 and 32. Item 33.
4 weeks.
33.
Item 34.
34 is my item. Here, my lord, what happens? It's a case of rehabilitation. They have rejected on the ground that the mother of the petitioner is fit. But in such view, a writ application was filed and direction was given to examine a medical test, whether he is fit or not. If not fit, accordingly, they have to consider. Even if that medical test has not been.
Let them file reply.
4 weeks. Item 35.
My lord, it has not been complied. It has not been complied, your lordship.
4 weeks.
Item 36.
36, my lord, first contempt. My lord, here.
First contempt.
My lord.
Forget first contempt, yes.
My lord, 24, order dated 24/2023. There was a direction to dispose of the representation in view of the representation wherein I have taken a stand that in other district they have granted the relief to other people that has not been considered as yet, my lord.
Well, let them file reply.
My lord.
4 weeks.
Item 37.
Obliged.
Retired since 2017, my lord, so pension has not yet been released.
All right, let them file reply.
38.
2024 not complied, my lord. The direct order.
File reply. 4 weeks.
Item 39.
Nine also, my lord, the order dated.
4 weeks.
Item 40.
Non-compliance of the order dated 2/1/24, my lord. Representation not considered.
A representation. 4 weeks.
41.
Wait, please. The contempt is against the registrar and the vice chancellor of the Orissa Agriculture University.
Someone is appearing.
My lord, notice is yet to issue.
Where is the order?
My lord, the lordship will see, my lord, annexure 1, that is the order of this honorable court. Relevant, my lord, is at page 26, para 617. May I place para 17, my lord?
What is the direction?
My lord, the direction in para 17 at page 26 is, in view of the discussions made in the foregoing paragraph, this court is of the considered view that such a vacancy was created due to resignation of Dr. Chinmay Pradhan, who stood first in the order of merit prepared pursuant to advertisement dated 10/8/2008. The petitioner being placed at serial number 4 of the said merit list should have been given substantive appointment against the said vacancy. My lord, the vacancy occurred on 3/34/2010. As the candidate
For the
had
other
seen-
side.
Notice is yet to issue, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Item 42.
This is the order written the deputy ENC, deputy commissioner. He has not complied the order.
What was the order?
Order dated 30/11/23 against the unauthorized construction. Honorable Court directed to within 2 weeks to comply, dispose of the complaints. But here, till that he has not complied the order.
Who has caused the caused obstruction? Where is the order of this court?
Deputy Commissioner, Contempt not 2. Opposite party number 2. Page 9, can I have a last paragraph?
So what has not been done?
He has not, still, this UC case is pending till that he has not, complete the.
UC case has been registered
Yes, yes.
because of the order of this court.
But because of this order, but, Honorable Court directed it
Sorry.
because of the order within, this one.
All right. I am not satisfied. The petitioner has alleged non-compliance of an order of this court dated 30/11/2023, passed in WPC number 38129 of 2023. The petitioner had alleged in the said writ application illegal encroachment caused by opposite parties number 3 and 4 to the writ application. First off, the writ petition was disposed of with a direction to the who was directed to opposite party number 1.
Opposite party number was the delegate the power to opposite party number 2.
to the, what is the office?
Objection was
What is the name of the office?
name of the opposite party number 2.
Commissioner Contempt Municipal Corporation to take steps for removal of encroachment. Because it is not in dispute that in the light of this court's order and UC case has been registered.
Yes, UC case registered, but still not,
UC case has been.
till that he has not disposed of the case.
Counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has submitted that the said order has been violated in as much as opposite parties numbers 3 and 4. They are opposite parties to the writ application. I have not been evicted so far. So from the said opposite parties, they are not noticed in the written proceeding in such view of the matter. Notice in the written proceeding. So from in compliance of the court's order, a UC case has already been registered. So in such case, I am not inclined to proceed in the present contempt matter. Contempt proceeding is dropped accordingly. Yes.
From 43. Completed till date. Yes, no.
Whether they had a right to say something or not. The opposite party number 3 and 4.
Honorable Court directed to within 2
Yes,
months they
yes.
completed the.
Yes, they could have come, they could have told that you are telling lies. Who knows? Yes.
Item number 43.
43 has been complied with.
23.
Complied with.
Directed to repeat.
Complied with speaking order has been passed.
Complied with.
Item 44.
My lords, 44 also my lords is complied with.
45.
Complied with my lords.
No order.
Well, I'll just hand over.
Give it. Let's still give it.
Item number 46.
With regards to the rehab assistance, my lord, in pursuance to the Moyananda case, your lordship was directed, thereafter my lord, first contempt has been filed, that has also been disposed of. So far, they have not complied. First time it has.
46, madam.
My lords, no instructions in this.
4 weeks.
47.
47, my lord, this is with regards to the grant of RACP. This is also listed first time.
Yes.
My lords, 47,
Order has been passed.
You kindly.
my lords, I've been instructed to say 47, 122, 123, 124, 125, 127, 135. Common order has been passed, my lords.
You kindly saw the copy of it. 47.
Please give the numbers again. Number 47.
47, 122, 123, 124, 125.
No, 123, 124, that is different. 120. The order has been passed, but the payments have not been made. Yes, sir.
My lords, in 47, the direction was to take a fresh.
47 is a different RACP, but 123, there was some, that is with regards to the grant of UGC.
And the amount has been deposited in the treasury is the
In the
instruction.
treasury, so those matters have been adjourned. So as to ensure that in the meanwhile, the amount is, see, at times, you know what happens. So unless the order is fully complied with. 47 complied with.
47 order made.
Yes.
Item 48.
Instructions, my lord.
4 weeks.
Item 49.
Last order dated 20/12/2024, my lords. Despite the court's order dated 6/12/2024, no so-called reply has been filed on behalf of the concerners. And Royal Additional Loan Advocate appearing in behalf of the concerners with other argument. This matter on 10/1/2025. In the meanwhile, so-called must be filed by the contenders.
No, this is, you are referring to order dated 6/12/2024.
2012/2020.
Yes.
Let's I have received instructions to the effect that the deputy registrar has gone for a training program, and hence there's no instruction. 2 weeks time may be granted.
Along the ESC appealing on behalf of the opposite parties has submitted that the order of this court dated 2012/2024 should not be complied with because the concerned officer has gone on training. He undertakes to file the so-called reply within 2 weeks.
Well, it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks. This is matter of 3 weeks.
Item number 50.
The last number 50, writ appeal number 595 of 2019 is pending. Writ appeal number 595 of 2019 is pending.
Relating to my pensioner.
What is the case number? What is the number of the review?
Review petition number 107 of 2021.
107. When counsel and AC appearing on.
My lord, I beg pardon to interpret, my lord. I am for the petition, my lord. Your lordship, on last occasion, your lordship directed the state to file fresh so-called reply because they took a stand in the yearly subject matter has been transferred to other department. Now they have taken a stand that a review petition has been filed. That review petition was filed after 2 years, my lord, and that is still pending. They have not.
What is the number?
107 of 2021, my lords.
The review petition was filed in 2021.
Yes, my lord.
You filed the contempt petition in 2021.
No, I filed contempt. Yes, my lord.
Then what is wrong? Why you are? What is wrong? Why you are? How can you?
But the order was passed on 24/12/2019, my lord.
All right. So your contempt petition is time barred. Your contempt petition can be dismissed on that ground. After 1 year, cognizance cannot be taken.
That was, my lord. This is the second contempt petition.
All right.
First contempt petition bearing number 4142 of 2020 was disposed on 25/11/2020.
All right. This case along with WT number. For appropriate mention. Can I take leave or?